Hi everyone, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. So I'm going to show you my first look at the pieces from Balmain for fall 2024. Super excited about this collection because they have some of my favorite colors coming out this season. So this color actually matches my eyes like almost to a T. So it's incredible to me for the color. So let me show you the skirt first. So this is their traditional skirt that we see, you know, most seasons, right? With a few different pattern details, which is nice. It hits above the knee, but not too far, as you can see. This is a 38, fits great. Top 38 fits great. It's 13 and 11 in terms of pricing. The jacket is the only thing I'm struggling with a little bit. So I know that they're going for the high neck look, but for me, it's a little bit too military-like, I guess. And maybe the intent, but I think these two pieces are much better than this one. I love Balmain's snaps on their jackets. To me, that's superb, but I'm really bummed out about this jacket. I wish it was cut a little bit different here, maybe just down to this neckline or something a little bit different twist. Also, the arms are extremely long for me, even though it's only a 38. So I love the skirt, love the top. I would be passing on the jacket. Here is what it looks like from behind. And again, the color for this, I mean, I love this outfit regardless, but the color for this is phenomenal. But they do such a nice job with it not feeling tight, yet still hugging the body and looking pretty amazing and really shaping you beautifully. So my first three pieces from the new Balmain collection, and now I will try on some more and we'll take a look at them together. And as always, please share your comments and feedback in the comment section. I respond to everyone and I look forward to your feedback. So more shortly. All right, so here's the next piece. I have mixed feelings about this. I'll explain why. Color, awesome. A+. Structure, A+. Fits fantastic. As you can see, it looks really nice on. It's the fabric for me that makes it a no-go. And I say that begrudgingly. You can probably hear it in my voice. I really wanted to love this. And I saw it in the photos and I did love it in the pictures. And when I saw it here, I was like, yeah, it looks fantastic. I will not wear this. It's way too tight in the waist. And it's supposed to be, right? The rest of it fits perfect. It's a 38. It's my size. It fits great. It's just too much. And here it's too thick. Like, I'm not a fan of thick, uncomfortable fabrics. And I'm not saying it's to the degree of discomfort, but in this area it is. It's not from too many Twinkies. It's actually this band here that they added is too tight. So it's too restrictive. So for me, it's a pass for that reason. And I hate to say that because I love it otherwise. Here's what it looks like in the back. I think it's a beautiful day to evening dress. It's shows a little bit, quite a bit of cleavage for the office environment, but you can easily add a snap there. I've done that with Chanel and other designers many times, but unfortunately for me, I have to skip on this one, but just wanted to show you, I'll show you up close what the pattern is, what the color looks like. Absolutely beautiful, but it has to be perfect, right? Because we have so many options and we have such limited resources these days. That's why I have this channel, so we can try things on together and share thoughts. And I'll try things on so you don't have to. So anyway, I am sad about this one, but I will pass on this one. But the green outfit so far is a good choice. So now on to the next. All right, I wanted to show you another piece. I'm not trying it on because it is running a really small and really tight. This is up a size, it's a 40. I'm not going to get this on, not without risking damaging the fabric. So, but I wanted to show you because it is a really beautiful piece. It's very soft. It feels luxurious. It's medium weight, signature buttons on the shoulder, very light shoulder padding, great shape of the top. I'll pull it in close here. It's just too small for me to even try. So, but here's what it looks like for those of you that want to. And now I'll move on to the next one. All right. So this is also a 38. It's the same style as the green. So I do have another one. All right. Same size. Feels nice. Love the fabric. I'm having the same issue with it. I'm not a fan of this neck. Even if I were to button it here, now it looks sloppy. So something needs to be done. In my opinion, something should have been done differently here at the neckline. So I'll pass on it for the same reason I'm passing on the green one, which is the neck. Other than that, I think it's a fantastic, lightweight, comfortable sweater. Cardigan. Sleeves are a little long, but I always roll them up anyway. But I did want to show you the white one. I think it's really pretty, especially over colors like this, like light beige and black and so on. I still wear white past Labor Day because of where I live. And I have one other piece to try on and show you, and then we'll be wrapping up this video. All right, so some bad news. This was my last piece to try. And for the same reason I didn't try the other black one, I'm not going to try this one on. It's very thick to me. It's stretchy, but it is not going to fit. It probably wouldn't fit my 14-year-old on the arm. Maybe with some stretch, yeah, with some stretch it will. any of us who like feeling, fabric feeling nice and comfortable, this one doesn't feel so super good. The fabric doesn't, but if you like something feeling tight and you're okay with that, I would definitely recommend trying this. It looks like a really beautiful piece. This is a 38 and it is called the pleated knit top hooded. It does have this cool hood in the back right here that attaches to it. I love this top, but I am not going to risk trying it on and damaging it, which is what is going to possibly happen. So I'll show you, but I can't try it. Hopefully I'll have more pieces in soon from Balmain that I can show you. I hope so, because the 2 green ones were fantastic. This one should have been a win, but the fabric was a no-go. So that wraps this video up. Let me know what you all think. Please share your questions, comments. I'm happy to answer anything that I can, or even direct you to sales associates at stores. I know many of them that would be happy to help. So have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Thank you for your support and thank you for your comments. Take care.